Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. Mahindra has finally revealed the new XUV 700 flagship SUV, including engine specifications, variants, including the top features of every variant. First, let's talk about the exterior design. As seen on the recent spy video of the red XUV 700 top spec variant, this new XUV 700 gets a rather evolutionary design over the XUV 500's design. While this new flagship SUV is expected to be longer and wider than the XUV 500, the overall design language is very similar. The front features a rather large and unique looking grille, which also features the new Mahindra logo. All variants except for the entry-level model will also feature unique looking LED DRLs integrated into the headlamps while also merging with the grille design. The side profile of the XUV 700 easily reminds us of the XUV 500 with a muscular shoulder line and rather strong wheel arches. The rear profile is significantly different to that seen on the XUV 500 with a rather edgy looking spoiler and signature arrowhead designed LED tail lamps. On the inside though, the XUV 700 is unlike anything we have seen on the XUV 500, featuring a Mercedes-Benz-like interior cabin layout with the massive twin-screen display for the touchscreen infotainment system and the digital instrument cluster. This dual-screen display is driven by Adrenox, which also offers Amazon Alexa compatibility, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity, along with more than 60 plus connected car features. It also enables voice command functions for the automatic climate control, media preference, and vehicle control such as windows and the sky roof. The topmost variant will also feature 12 speakers from Sony, providing 3D surround sound, including multiple sound modes. While the top spec variants will also feature 6-way power adjustable driver seat with triple memory function, it also will include a welcome function where the seat automatically slides back a few centimeters for easy ingress and egress of the driver. Other significant features of the XUV 700 include dual zone automatic climate control, a 360-degree surround view camera, and wireless charging facility. As seen on the teasers released by Mahindra, this new flagship SUV will also offer auto booster headlamps, personalized safety alerts, segment-besting panoramic sunroof, automatically deploying smart door handles, a smart filter air purifier system, and the driver drowsiness alert system. The XUV 700 will also offer the most powerful petrol and diesel engine options in this price category. The 2-liter turbocharged M-Stallion gasoline petrol engine produces 200 PS of maximum power and 380 Nm of maximum torque through either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox. Meanwhile, the 2.2-liter M-Hawk turbo diesel engine produces 185 PS of maximum power and 420 Nm of maximum torque through the 6-speed manual transmission, while the automatic variants produce 450 Nm of maximum torque. The Mahindra XUV 700 will be offered in 4 variants: the base level MX, the second level AX3, the third AX5 and the top spec AX7. While the base level MX variant will not have the Adrenox driven dual screen display, it still will offer a lot of standard features including an 8-inch touchscreen system, a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, smart door handles, LED tail lamps, steering mounted audio controls, all 4 power windows with power adjustable ORVMs, a day-night switch for the IRVM and 17-inch steel wheels. This base level MX variant is not likely to be offered with an automatic transmission option. However, while the petrol engine specifications remain exactly the same across all variants, the M-Hawk turbo diesel engine on this base level variant will produce 155 PS of maximum power and 360 Nm of maximum torque, which is going to be lesser than the top spec variants. Apart from the base level MX variant, all the other variants are driven by Adrenox system and offers the dual screen layout, with all the connected car features including Amazon Alexa compatibility, wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, the signature LED DRLs and LED fog lamps, along with the reverse parking camera. The third level AX5 variant additionally offers the panoramic sky roof, 17-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, clear view LED headlamps, sequential LED turn indicators, cornering lamps, automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, cruise control, and automatic climate control. It is the top spec AX7 variant which offers dual zone automatic climate control, 18-inch dual-tone machine-cut alloy wheels, complete leatherette upholstery, 6-way power adjustable driver seat with memory function, and the 12-speaker Sony 3D surround sound system. The top spec AX7 variant also offers advanced driver assist systems such as adaptive cruise control, autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring system, using the 360-degree surround view camera, along with the driver drowsiness alert system. In terms of safety features, all variants will come as standard with dual airbags, all-wheel disc brakes, ABS with EBD, remote sensor locking, electronic stability program with traction control, rollover mitigation, hydraulic brake assist, and hill hold assist. The second level AX3 variant will offer reverse parking camera with front fog lamps, while the AX5 variant will offer side curtain airbags, and it is the top spec AX7 variant which will offer 7 airbags including a driver knee airbag, along with the 360-degree surround view camera system. These are the initial details of the new Mahindra XUV700 flagship SUV. Mahindra has also announced the introductory prices for the 5-seater manual variants of the entry-level MX petrol and diesel variants, along with the petrol manual variants of the AX3 and the AX5 variants. The MX petrol manual variant is priced at Rs 11.99 lakh ex-showroom, whereas the diesel MX manual variant is priced at Rs 12.49 lakh ex-showroom. The AX3 petrol manual variant is priced at Rs 13.99 lakh ex-showroom, while the AX5 petrol manual variant is priced at Rs 14.99 lakh ex-showroom. Going by the pricing, even in the 5-seat manual avatar, the XUV700 seems like an incredible value for money proposition with a lot of technology and features as standard. Pricing for the rest of the variants will be announced later, with official deliveries expected to commence by the first week of October. Stay tuned for further updates regarding the XUV700. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.